Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're going to walk you through the process of connecting WHM Web Hosting Manager to WHMCS Web Hosting Manager Complete Solution. This integration will enable you to sync your WHM and WHMCSS accounts as well as log in to WHM directly from WHMCS, making your life a lot easier. So let's get started. Step 1. Generate API credentials in WHM. First things first, we need to create an API token in WHM. This token is essential because it allows WHMCS to communicate securely with WHM. Log into your WHM. Once you are in, look for the development section in the left sidebar. Click on Manage API Tokens. Next, click the Generate Token button. You can give your token a name like WHMCS Integration. Choose the permissions the token will have. For WHMCS integration, you typically need full access to manage accounts. If your WHM server is accessible only from specific IPs, you can whitelist those IP addresses for added security. Once it's generated, you'll see your new token. Make sure to copy it right away because you won't be able to see it again. It's a good idea to save this token in a secure place, like a password manager. Step 2. Configure WHMCS to connect to WHM. Now that we have our API token, let's set up the connection in WHMCS. Open another tab in your browser and log into your WHMCS dashboard. In the top menu, click on Configurations, select System Settings, then click on Servers. Now, click on Add New Server. Here's where we fill in the server details. 1. Module, choose cPanel from the drop-down menu. 2. Hostname or IP address. Enter your WHM server's hostname or IP address. 3. Username, enter your WHM username. 4. Password, ignore this field since you'll be using an API token. 5. API token. Paste in the API token we generated earlier. Once you've filled in the details, look for the Test Connection button and click it. You should see a message that says, Connection successful. Great job! Step 3. Finalize the server setup in WHMCS. Here, some values may have been auto-filled for you if the connection was successful. Confirm that everything has been auto-filled correctly. If there are any remaining fields that need your attention, fill them in now. You can enter the monthly cost if you'd like to track the cost associated with this server. Also, if you'd like, you can specify the data center or network operations center, NOC, where the server is located. Enter your primary and secondary name servers along with their IP addresses. If you have additional name servers, you can fill them up. Check the box to use SSL mode for connections. For the port, the default port is 2087, so leave that as is unless you have a custom port. Decide if you want to allow unrestricted access. All admin users in WHMCS can connect to this server, or restricted access. Only select admin users can connect. Choose whichever is suitable for your environment. Once everything is filled out, click Save at the bottom of the page to add the server to WHMCS. If the setup was successful, you'll be taken to the list of connected servers. Here you'll see links to log into WHM directly from WHMCS and another link to sync accounts. And that's it. You've successfully connected WHMCS to WHM. Now you can manage your hosting services more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.